We're going to have a rolling race from 50 miles an hour in second gear. Obviously the Tesla has no gears and the bike's in second gear. Here we go, let's get to 50. To the half mile. 3, 2, 1, go. Come on.
I'm clear, I'm clear. I'm clear. Oh! No!
Well, I won that.
Right then. You did. I will say my defence, once I hit 165 miles an hour, it stops me.
I have no idea what happened at all. It was just intense.
What happened to the bike? That's what I want to know.
It went so fast, an air vent fell out. Look.
I thought you'd gone and then you slowed down and then you went.
I think I got to about like 180, 190 or something. It was insane. Let's do the same thing again, but this time I'm going to go into autobahn mode and second gear. And I'm going to roll on from 50 miles an hour. 3, 2, 1. Go. That's a quick go.
Let's see what speed he comes past me. 130.
Well, I'm into the quarter now. Look at this coming past.
140.
Watch the speed build. Here we go. Here comes the half mile now. What's that for you, Yanni?
Great for me, mate, but just watching you, obviously I'm trying to drive straight, concentrate, I'm going so fast, and look to my right, and look behind me to see where you are, and then when you come past me, I'm just like, wow.
It doesn't just like edge past, it just blasts past, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's like a little rocket. What I want to know is, what does it say underneath the spoiler? Because when you slam on your brakes and that airlift comes up, I want to know what it says.
Now we have a rolling race from 50 miles an hour. The cars, that's just in its usual setting. I'm in Bugatti mode and automatic mode for the gearbox. So just like I'm cruising along, and then there's someone in a Tesla Model S Plaid. And we think, oh no, we're going to have a race. And I go 3, 2, 1, go. Blimey, this took ages to kick down.
God, I killed him.
But now we're on. That's ahead of me.
He's going to come quick. Oh my God, look how quick he's coming.
Can I catch it to the quarter mile? No, he's going to have it in the quarter, but now I'll come past. Watch me gap him now.
Oh wow.
This is going to be insane. Well, that was interesting, Yanni.
Obviously, instant power is always going to have you. I was doing 180 mile an hour and you come past me like I wasn't even moving. Wow.
I literally have no idea how quick I was going. That's one thing about this car, it's so deceptive. It's so very quick and does it so effortlessly, it keeps on piling the speed on. You have no real sense of how quick you're going. So to everybody watching, this is how quick I was going. And I'll be watching the video with you right now to find out for myself. You know what? Let's do something a little bit different, right? Let's do another rolling race. But I want to just try something.
Come on then, try something.
Okay then, Yanni, same thing again, but I'm going to go in third gear like we normally do. I have a horrible feeling I'm going to be out of my power band. So let's see what happens now. 3, 2, 1, go. Come on, build boost, build boost.
Come on.
That Tesla's now gone. Boost now, look at this.
Oh, he's nowhere near me. I'm going to beat him. Oh, no, I'm not.
Oh,
Who am I kidding?
oh, it took a while, but now I'm there.
Who am I kidding?
Yeah, when I wasn't riding my power band, you got a good lead on me there. That's the thing about those Teslas, you know, they really do pile on the power early on, but then they fade, don't they, after 100? This thing doesn't care about 100, it just keeps going. It's like a train, it really is. It's such a cliche, but it's a well-deserved one.
I expect you to beat me by at least 5 to 6 car lengths now, and if you don't,